Tonight, we're making chicken nuggets. It's an American staple. You bread up chicken, you fry it, you eat it, you're welcome. For dipping, I have honey mustard, fancy sauce, jalapeno ranch. And to dip in the dips, I have chicken dipped in cornflakes for you breakfast enthusiasts. I have panko for a nice crunch. And to wrap up the ensemble of chicken nuggets, I have chicken that's been dredged in seasoned flour and marinated in pickle juice.
What's more American than beer? Well, beer isn't really American, but we do make good beer here in America, and the craft beer scene is really booming. We're gonna get in on that game. It won't be long now. The brewery's really coming together, and soon we'll be brewing.
Chicken nuggets are as American as apple pie. When I bite into them, I see Betsy Ross sewing the flag. I see bald eagles screaming. I love them so much. What do you see when you bite into a chicken nugget? Let me know in the comments.